What the hell? And action.
God damn it, Bobby!
No. And action.
No, not yet.
Oh wait, hold on. And action.
Oh, God.
No, I thought you said action and then I plopped down.
Oh, we already got that shot.
Oh.
Man, go.
The therapist said that you weren't real. How?
But
that,
you
that
are.
It was a... What? They said it was just a hunting rifle accident. That I was off my meds or something.
Pretty sure it was me, buddy. Stupid. Oh, come on. Let's try that again. Should I just be going all through his car and finding stuff?
Okay.
Alright.
And action.
That was my GPS.
Hey, you're right here.
No. That's not how you spell sandwich.
Yeah, it is sandwich. S-A-M-M-I-T-Z-Q Batman symbol.
No, that.
It says it right there. You pronounce it sandwich. Nows, please. Okay. It's now different.
Did the text just change?
What text? The one that says sandwich?
How did this... I prefer you don't drink in my car.
There's no alcohol in this, buddy. You're okay.
But no, that's going to stain. I don't want you to drink that in my car. Use a cup, you animal. So? Let's go inside.
Let's go inside right now.
The last time I did that, you made me a sandwich, then you shot me in the face.
That's not past. I mean, Hitler. No, I should hand call on the laptop.
Okay, here, put it on your lap then. And open it and then close it.
You know what? I think I have had a shower. With water? Water from the mainstream?
What? The mainstream isn't an actual thing.
Yeah, it is. It runs right through your colon.
There. Action.
Get out of my car.
Excuse me?
Get out of my car.
But I just did.
You don't seem to understand the situation here.
Wait, me?
Yeah.
Ronald Reagan was an actor.
Mm-hmm. Action.
Because, you know, Ronald Reagan was an actor.
Well, he was a radio actor. He wasn't an actual actor.
You don't know that. You can't trust anybody. Okay, here, hold my legs when they come out. You ready? Okay.
That was such a dumb...
We're not doing that.
Okay, now get in the car. In the front seat.
So we're just gonna cut away from that.
Yeah. And then like hop down like you just landed or something. Okay. And action.
Hitler.
I'm gonna try not to spit all over your car.
There's a window. Okay. Say Hitler.
Hitler.
Go again. Go again.
Oh god. Okay. Go.
I can do this. I can do this.
Engage. Like Hitler, right?
Got there. Just say it.
Hitler. Wait, what was
How
the...
much Big Red have I drank today? Oh my god.
Just
Wait, how much-
Just say it. Just say.
What was even the... What was...
And go.
Hitler? Just forget that part. Just do what you did before.
And go.
Hitler?
Okay. And action.
Hitler?
I messed it up. I'm sorry.
There. See?